When science became a nightmare, the monster study. In 1939, inside an orphanage in Iowa, a quiet experiment was unfolding, one that would haunt its subjects for the rest of their lives. Led by Wendell Johnson, a respected speech pathologist at the University of Iowa, the experiment aimed to explore the roots of stuttering. But what started as scientific curiosity quickly turned into a psychological horror show. Johnson and his graduate student, Mary Tudor, selected 22 orphan children for the study. Half were labeled normal speakers, while the others were already known to have speech issues. Then came the twist. Some of the perfectly normal-speaking children were falsely told they had speech defects and were harshly criticized every time they spoke. Day after day, these kids were corrected, shamed, and made to feel like something was wrong with them. The results? Some children, who had never stuttered before, began to develop severe speech problems, crippling anxiety, and lifelong trauma, all because adults told them they were broken. The experiment was so disturbing that it was never published at the time, and Mary Tudor herself later called it a mistake. The name Monster Study didn't come from the public. It came from Johnson's own peers, who were horrified by the cruelty of experimenting on vulnerable children. For more information, subscribe